In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external users to a Slack channel. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few quick tips so your invite goes smoothly. An external user here simply means someone who isn't already part of your Slack workspace, like a client, contractor, or partner. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Slack into the search bar and click the official Slack website. Once Slack opens, sign in if prompted, then navigate to the specific channel where you want this external person to participate. If you're already in Slack, you can jump straight into that channel. At the top right of the channel, look for the People icon and click it to open the Member and Invite panel. Next, select Add People. When the invite options appear, choose Add Specific People. This ensures you're inviting exactly who you intend. Now, type the name, or, for external users, the full email address of the person you want to invite. Using a full email helps Slack recognize that this person isn't already in your workspace. If Slack suggests a match, confirm it. Otherwise, finish typing the complete email address. When you're ready, click Add to include them in the invite list. You'll now see channel permission options for this invite. Choose the level that fits your needs. Post an invite allows the person to post messages and invite others to the channel, which can be helpful for partners who need to bring teammates in. Only Post lets them share updates, but prevents them from inviting additional people, which is better for tighter control. Pick the one that matches your channel's goals and security requirements. Then click Next. You'll have the option to add a note. This is optional but highly recommended. A short, clear message, such as the project context, what to post, or key dates, helps the invitee get started quickly and reduces back and forth. Finally, click Send Invitation. Slack will deliver an email to the external user with instructions to join. Depending on your organization's plan and admin settings, the invite may require approval, and in some cases, the guest's organization might need to approve as well. If you see a pending status, that's normal. Just give it a bit of time. That's it. Open the channel, click the People icon, add people, add specific people, enter the email, set permissions, optionally add a note, and send. If you can't invite externals, your admin may have restricted this feature. Reach out to them. Keep channels appropriate for external collaboration, and avoid sharing sensitive information.